Welcome everyone. This is Michael Croft from Ernakulam district, and with the Kota GP circuit of the Americas, it has been proven that in the childhood, whenever the mother used to tell us, kindly study for the examination, we were like, एक महीना है ना एग्जाम के लिए. फिर एग्जाम के दिन में पढ़ाई नहीं करते थे. वही सेम सिचुएशन इज हैपनिंग विद द McLaren team. What is it marks? Just only raw-dogging the McLaren in the championship. जब एक दूर गांव में एक पियास्ट्री रोता था तो उसकी माँ बोलती थी सो जा नहीं तो तेरा चैंपियनशिप छीनने के लिए मैक्स वर्स्टैपेन आ जाएगा.
By the way, सिर्फ शेट्टी का दिवाली चल रहा है.
I am a cultured person. It's the Diwali day. They are the vulture.
We told शेट्टी कि आज हम पहनेंगे ये सब दिवाली का ये करेंगे. सिर्फ ये पहन के आया.
Wearing the black t-shirt against.
ये 500 का शर्ट है भाई देवे. ये 500 रुपए का शर्ट है.
ये डिकैथलॉन का 129 वाला है.
अरे नाइस.
I don't know where the fuck this is
I am
from.
wearing a $1 underwear. 98 rupees only cut underwear, white color. The short in lace.
That's too much information.
हैप्पी दिवाली शेट्टी.
अरे
सिर्फ
happy
तेरे
दिवाली
को-
शेट्टी.
Happy
अबे
Deepa-
साइलेंट पे कर भाई. रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर थोड़ा
Happy
सा.
Deepavali, everybody.
Happy
Diwali.
Happy Deepavali. Happy everything. Happy.
हैप्पी हैलोवीन.
In the life, happy Halloween. In the life, you should always be the happy. The sadness is like the McLaren team. हाँ? क्या हो गया यार अजरबैजान जीपी से?
Sorry, for the first time Ferrari is not the sadness team this
Yeah,
after
dude.
this week.
Yeah, dude. And surprisingly, they had good strategy, but only for one driver.
Everyone was surprised.
Only for one.
Yeah, but everyone was surprised कि उतना भी हो रहा है. The
One-
commentators were like,
We'll-
yeah, people
One
keep
brother
saying they're
has to
checking.
take the fall away.
We'll get there. We'll get
We'll
there.
get there.
Yes.
Sorry.
It's just like the situation with McLaren is that the championship is the girlfriend. She's like, okay, I am with you. But in the night time, she is a chat with other people. You are like 5:30 को क्यों ऑनलाइन थे तुम? 5:30 को मैं ऐसे ही ऑनलाइन क्या ऐसे ही मार्क्स से चाट कर रहे
अरे
हैं. बढ़िया. अरे सॉरी गाइस.
Fuck, पहली बार इसका असली आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है अभी. 3 मिनट हो गए.
They will remove the clothes, they'll adjust their chaddi and they'll come back.
चल बदलते.
चलो.
Actually, man, this coffee is just too good.
I know, right? I
What
can't-
is this coffee that we are having today?
It's called Tuscan.
Tuscan coffee.
Tuscan
Tuscan coffee. Have
Grab
it.
a good day.
Grab them all.
क्या?
Grab them all.
Pokemon.
Pokemon. Pika,
Tuscan
pika.
coffee.
Pika.
Tuscan coffee, but yeah, that's very good. Sponsor करना कर लो Tuscan coffee. एक दो chaos की है ये लोग के, but आ जाओ please.
नहीं बट मुझे ऐसा बोलने का था. मतलब कैसे रहता है? ये ऐसा बरोबर रहता है. ऐसा अंकल ऐसे बात ऐसा बरोबर रहता है. See, from the vultures become a culture. Govind Menon.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
भाई ऐसा लग रहा है हम लोग फूक क्या है यहाँ पर. एक normal sentence
I think it's
नहीं
just the coffee at this
I think
point.
last episode I got a comment also. Vivian looks high. And unironically,
Arey,
I
no,
don't-
not you.
Me.
It was him, black
No, I
t-shirt.
also
guy.
अच्छा, you
got-
also got
I
it.
also
He
got
तो
it.
हाँ.
No, वो तो मेरा आँख ना मेरे को दिखता है थोड़े वीडियोस में कि I feel like was I high? What the fuck?
Yeah.
मेरा आँख ऐसा हो जाता है बात करते टाइम. I don't know what that is.
नशीली आंखें, शराबी चेहरा, खबाब का रहे क्या? नहीं बट
क्या बोलते रहता है भाई?
बट कबाब, अरबाब, शरबाब.
Guys,
शबाब.
10 मिनट हो गए हम लोगों ने चालू कुछ नहीं
अरे ठीक है यार, लोगों को हम पर्सनालिटी दे रहे हैं अपना. लोग से देखो रेस इतना बेकार था ना, मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ. स्प्रिंट अच्छा था, रेस एकदम बोरिंग था. क्या मतलब वही चालू था. लेक्लेयर मैं तो आगे नहीं जाने देगा. अबे सॉफ्टवेयर है, 18 लैप हो गया है, तेरे को ओवरटेक करने वाले हो. 18 का उसने 21 खींचा. चलो ठीक
ऐसे
है.
ऐसे मत बोल भाई. लक बहुत अच्छा किया कल. मजा आ गया.
He did really well yesterday. हाँ.
तो क्या है F1 और क्या है F1? सॉरी लक के बारे में क्या?
पर लेक्लेयर अच्छा चला है.
बहुत अच्छा defense
लेक्लेयर,
था.
हाँ, लेक्लेयर का स्टार्ट भी अच्छा था. ऊपर से इट वाज ओवरऑल ओके रेस. मतलब इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं था.
They were
I think
getting
the-
delusional in the end, Ferrari. I mean, or the commentators were getting delusional क्योंकि end में when Leclerc was second only before वो overtake का, the commentators were like, oh, now they have to decide if they have to go after Max. I was like, पागल हो गया? 7 सेकंड का difference है. Like,
मेरे को लगता फेरारी वाले पैसे
Bro.
देते हैं, कुछ अच्छा बोलो ना हमारे बारे में.
But for real, when the overtake actually happened, the gap between Norris and Max was 11 seconds.
Yeah, 10-11, dude.
Yeah.
Bro, I was like, ये क्या commentators भी को भी मालूम है, but I think वो लोग टांग खींच रहे हैं
मैक्स
वैसे.
दिखा ही नहीं पूरे रेस में.
नहीं
I'm
नहीं
just surprised.
मैक्स भी नहीं दिखा और बैक मार्कर्स भी नहीं दिखे.
I'm just surprised कि जब Leclerc second था and then eventually third, मेरा तो डर वही था कि भाई इसका गाड़ी बंद पड़ जाएगा अभी.
कुछ
Anyway,
अच्छा
the-
चीज कैसे हो सकता है
anyway, the
ना?
temperatures were also high. I was like, भाई अगर
Oh,
ये
they were all
इतना
over
करके,
the... Yeah, mad.
इतना करके उसका गाड़ी बंद पड़ गया, भाई Leclerc क्या करेगा dude
The
उसके
best thing about US Grand Prix weekend was sprint qualifying and sprint race.
Sprint race
that
मुझे
was
हमने
a
predict किया था
lot of
last
fun.
time.
Oh yeah.
PST,
Banduk.
our good friend Vignesh Kabrabad
Yes.
Yeah.
had predicted that PST Norris के ऊपर गेम करने वाला है और उसने किया गेम.
Honestly, पियास्ट्री ने नहीं किया, हल्केनबर्ग ने किया, ठीक है? तो रेसिंग इंसिडेंट है वो.
Yeah,
बाद में सबने बोला पियास्ट्री की गलती है शायद, क्योंकि वो कम जगह थी और वो वहाँ पर मतलब
No,
उसने
but
शुरू किया
Piastri
वो.
got the line at the end.
Yeah.
That's when
Yeah,
Hulkenberg
but
rammed into him at the
वही,
back.
exactly. It's not.
Yeah.
It's just a racing incident.
Yeah.
तो पियास्ट्री ने नहीं किया है, but
ठीक है रेसिंग इंसिडेंट है.
Papaya rules.
Papaya.
But to what extent? See, if you look at the overall progression, PST just scored 27 points since Azerbaijan,
Baku, yeah.
Baku and
Baku बोलते हैं.
Max has scored 72, and he looks underconfident because
72.
I have all the numbers. I'll show it to you
72
once
points
he's done.
since Baku, and PST looks पता नहीं वो एक इनपेनिट्रेबल था ना वो
Yeah.
कि इसके मतलब ये बंदा बेस्ट है बट अभी वो क्रैक्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं. वो क्रैक्स इस वजह से है कि चैंपियनशिप का प्रेशर है, वो यंग है, या इस वजह से है कि जो कुछ रेसेस में मैक्लारेन में इंटरनली कुछ हो रहा है.
I think
आप लोग
सब
comment
मिला
section
के
Yeah,
में
ही
dude.
है.
I also feel like
सब
it's
मिला के
everything.
है.
You
Yeah.
think you think it's a culmination of all.
Combination of
I
all
think
of it.
something is happening behind everybody's back who we are,
And
who
but
we,
also
what we can't see.
Also, honestly, it's Piastri's third season and first time leading the championship.
Yeah.
तो I mean ऐसे इतना
थोड़ा तो फेवर देना चाहिए.
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसका वो प्रेशर वो मतलब थोड़ा क्रैक होगा यार. वो
Yeah.
थोड़ा तो होगा ही वो.
Max has pulled up way ahead of the entire Piastri World Drivers' Champion.
I also feel like Piastri पे pressure ज़्यादा होगा because see when you're expected to win there is that pressure, but when you do so well that you are about to take the one who is going to win, then there's more pressure.
Yeah,
Dude.
yeah.
And here you can't prove also that something is wrong with Piastri's car because सब लोग
Yeah.
ये भी बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ राडा किया है
है.
उसके
No,
गाड़ी
even
के
the
साथ.
McLaren engineers like are looking at the car and all now. क्योंकि अरे fifth is a little too much, dude. I don't know.
Six quali किया भाई उसने.
हाँ
Man,
भाई
so
ये
P6
सब
क्या होता है?
This doesn't like
Qualies में
जितना भी
Ferrari
pressure
was
हो-
ahead of Piastri, dude.
Bro, that's not
Wait,
Piastri
that's not
at all.
Piastri. Wait,
Exactly,
it's-
exactly.
During the race also he looked underconfident. During the
Yeah.
race also on the radio and everything, it did not sound confident. तो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ तो, और मेरे को लगता है ये गेम को ना हम लोग जस्ट नॉट रनिंग अराउंड सर्कल्स. इट्स जस्ट दैट अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है कि सैल्वेज करने के लिए मैक्लारेन के पास अगला मेक्सिको है, इट्स गोना बी अभी टाइट है पूरा, फिर वेगस है. मेरे को लग रहा है कि टाइम भी नहीं है उन लोग के पास रिकूप करने के लिए. वो मेरे को लगा समझ ये खराब रेस हुआ उसका, चलो ठीक है, इट डजंट हैव इनफ टाइम टू जस्ट kind of get himself together, like go to Lonavala, maybe have a Maganlal Chikki and kind of, you know, maybe have a chocolate fudge and, you know,
I
kind of.
think he
चाय
doesn't
भी अच्छा
have.
मिलता है वहाँ पर.
I think he doesn't have time to do that anyway. लोनावला आके मगनलाल चिक्की खाने का टाइम तो उसके पास कभी नहीं है शायद.
Maybe my thing is that he could have explored the Lonavala option also.
And I-
also, please go.
I feel that what plays to McLaren's disadvantage right now is Max is on a roll, but the tracks ahead also, like where Max has killed it previously.
Dominated.
Exactly, dude.
So,
Like
again.
Mexico,
Mexico,
ब्राजील. अगर
Brazil.
बारिश हो गई ब्राजील के टाइम
हाँ,
फिर
वो-
तो अलग ही इसमें हो जाएगा. But
सिंगापुर के बाद से every interviewer has asked Piastri, what do you think about the gap which is closing between you and Max? And he just looks so done already.
yeah, dude.
It
Like-
almost looks like that helpless feeling.
Yeah,
where you
कि
know
मैं क्या
something
करूँ
is
वाला.
wrong. Yeah, but you can't prove it.
But see, honestly, I know Max has come very close and all. अब कितने 5 रेस बाकी है ना?
5 race, he is 40 points behind.
40 points
McLaren
behind.
altogether,
So
yeah.
I mean,
Can we
behind
go to that
Oscar.
point listing first?
हाँ देख ले.
देख नहीं I
After-
think this is it. 5
no,
रेस
no.
बाकी है, 40 points behind, 306 पे है Max.
You can see how badly Piastri's confidence kept shattering. So after Dutch GP, Max was 104 points behind Piastri. After Italian GP, 94 points behind. You can see the gap closing.
Yeah.
Baku, he was down to 69 points in between him and Piastri. 69.
Nice.
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 Singapore
Very-
में
Nice, very good.
69 position. 69, 70, 71. It is a number only.
नीचे आना है शेट्टी. Singapore पे he was 63 points behind.
63.
हाँ, अरे
US
भाई ये क्या टोन है भाई?
हर नंबर सल्ट्री वॉइस में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है शेट्टी.
After US sprint, 55 points, where he dominated big time. और अभी US GP के बाद 40.
No, I think US ऑस्टिन जीपी के बाद ना इसका इतना बड़ा चंक मिला है ना, इसको 20
Yeah.
something points उसको मिला है ना.
So basically, Max got 25 in the GP.
And
He
8.
came first and
नहीं
8
including
8 in sprint, 25
8 in sprint and 25 in GP. So that's
अच्छा,
33 हो गया ना.
हाँ, और Piastri got 10. So that's a deficit.
Sprint में भी मिला रहेगा ना उसको?
नहीं रे.
अरे दोनों तो आउट हो
Sprint
गए
में
ना.
कैसे
Oh,
मिला
yeah,
भाई? वही
shit,
तो हुआ
dude.
sprint में.
Bro.
हल्केनबर्ग ने गेम कर दिया ना, उसको
Sprint-
सुपर ही दिया, बोला कि
Oh my
ये हल्को
God.
Sprint में-
हल्के में मत लो.
स्प्रिंट में पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट मिल
वही
गया.
ना. देख 10 पॉइंट तो
no
आगे,
consolation prize also over here.
10 पॉइंट तो 10 क्या 15 पॉइंट तो आगे रेस में ही मिल गया उसको,
अरे
मैक्स
बाप
को,
रे.
और ऊपर से 8 पॉइंट स्प्रिंट का भी भाई, मतलब गांडी मार दी ना फिर तो.
That's what is happening right now, where we also spoke about it पिछले episodes में कि Max जीत सकता है कि नहीं. It's showing, dude. Now it's
हाँ.
driver versus cars.
Yeah.
And I feel like Max is one of those drivers. If he's on that roll, he is on that roll. Like,
He's not looking back.
Nothing shakes him up. bro.
I like when I saw him yesterday, I was like, this is looking like that
Yeah.
peak Max again, and that is scary. Because then you see nothing else. It's just Max.
And at this
Max,
point,
Max.
everybody is rooting for two people. Piastri
Piastri
and
and
Max.
Max.
Nobody's giving a fuck about Lando, even though he
Yeah.
is closest to Piastri.
Even the commentators towards the end when the race got over, they were also saying the same thing only, that Max first McLaren thought that Max is only coming for Piastri, but Max is coming for McLaren. Dude.
Yeah.
Both of them.
वो थैनोस बन रहा है अभी ऐसा. टीडिंग लास्ट रेस में से चैंपियनशिप गायब.
50% McLaren gone. That is Norris. Norris gone.
लॉरेंस गॉन.
भाई, ये सही Thanos है भाई.
Real
Norris
Yeah.
good.
ऐसा करेगा और पॉइंट्स गो.
Dude, then तो Hülkenberg is Thanos. Dude, उसने ऐसा किया, अब McLaren ही उड़ा दिया.
उड़ा
dude.
ही
He दिया भाई. Which was very funny to like. I know it's very sad for McLaren, Piastri, fucking Lando, but just that entire locking up at that turn is so evident, so prominent all the time. क्योंकि काफी सारे ड्राइवर्स के साथ हुआ उधर.
And it's so
और
funny.
ये पहले टर्न पे हुआ
And
है.
it's
वो
so
मजा आ
funny
गया.
that कोटा का टर्न है ही वैसा.
हाँ
एकदम
भाई,
wide
बहुत
हो,
wide है.
almost
हाँ.
hairpin. And एक तो many rookies, ये सब ड्रामा स्प्रिंट में हुआ, and then race full clean, dude.
Race was
हाँ,
very
race was-
clean.
ये सीजन वैसे ही हो रहा है, या तो रेस अच्छा है, या तो स्प्रिंट बोरिंग, या तो स्प्रिंट बोरिंग, या तो रेस अच्छा है.
Yeah.
Dude, रेस में कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई. ये यूएस वाले बस टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं. भैंचोद यहाँ पे रात को 1:30 बजे देख रहा हूँ मैं,
Yeah.
मतलब कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा.
My only request is, if for us Indians the race is post 12:30 in the night, at least the race should be interesting.
Exactly, man.
Yeah, man.
जाग के देखना है तो at least कोई interesting
Exactly,
race
कुछ
दिखाओ.
I had to
दिखाओ.
keep my eyes open like this.
Dude, like I didn't even see the last lap. Because I
It
was
was
like, खत्म भाई, अब क्या देखूं मैं?
At 35th lap, everything was decided.
Yeah.
Everything.
मेरे को मजा का मैं मालूम है, एक चीज पता तुम लोगों को, गैसली का टाइम पे, गैसली का पहले बात तो पता है तुम लोगों को, एल्पिन ने बोला ये साला गाड़ी हम डेवलप ही नहीं करेंगे. और
मतलब स्टार्ट से कि बीच?
नहीं, बीच से उन्होंने बोला कि फक ऑफ. ऊपर से बेचारे का पिट स्टॉप खराब किया.
अरे हाँ, बहुत खराब था उसका पिट स्टॉप.
वो बोलता रहेगा भिंचोत मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ, तो ये तो पिट स्टॉप.
और फिर उसके बाद कोलोपिंटो ने उसको ओवरटेक भी किया था.
Dude, that was
Even
the
after-
funniest. Okay? तो क्योंकि आगे तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा था, मैक्स को तो ब्रॉडकास्ट में ही नहीं रखा उन लोगों
तो
ने.
पीछे का दिखा रहे थे ये लोग.
एंड लक्लेयर और नॉरिस वाला ही था.
हाँ.
देन कमेंटेटर्स बीच में दे स्टार्टेड, क्योंकि वो टीम ऑर्डर आया था कि कोलोपिंटो
हाँ,
नॉट
कि
ओवरटेक.
होल्ड पोजीशन से.
फिर द कमेंटेटर्स आर लाइक, oh, there's a 3-way battle for last place. I'm like, अबे ऐसा मत बोल यार, बेचारे लोग कर रहे हैं ना
कुछ
कुछ.
इज्जत ही नहीं दे रहे
अबे
यार.
कुछ इज्जत है भी नहीं क्योंकि कोलोपिंतो ने ओवरटेक किया उसके बाद
Exactly.
द कमेंटेटर सेड दैट आल्सो ओ बैटलिंग फॉर स्क्रैप्स आई वाज लाइक भाई फक यार
No
दूसरी बात
chill
कर
these
रहे
guys
थे।
have.
ऊपर से वही मेरे को मजा आया जो साइंस से जो साइंस का डीएनएफ था ना,
हाँ, ठोकर।
कैसा टिचकी दिया उसने, एंटोनी बोले "ओए, क्या हो गया, एकदम 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 टुक."
नहीं आई वाज जस्ट आस्किंग कि
Antonelli.
where did Antonelli finish उसके बाद because I
13,
thought he
13.
also DNF'd but he was continuing.
No, he kept the car quite intact.
13.
13th है वो.
Okay,
in-
not bad.
बड़ा अच्छा था उसका भी
अच्छा
surge।
था
मतलब
18th या कुछ था ना वो
18 से 13 था
Dude.
उसको ठोका।
Talking about surge, Sunoda, dude. Sunoda ने बहुत लिया यार. When sprint happened, dude, he climbed like 6 places, which is, I feel Sunoda's only mission is to keep a seat in
Yeah,
F1 at this
yeah.
point, dude.
But
तो
next
उस
year
हिसाब से
he's
तो
not
अच्छा था.
signed, no, with Red Bull.
No one signed right
No
now.
one
We don't
signed,
know.
no. So any
He's trying his
position
best.
you take is
Honestly,
good.
Yeah.
I think what's like it's going to be Hajar and then Lindblad.
Yeah,
in,
yeah. Most
racing
likely,
Yeah,
years.
dude.
Yeah.
But Sinoda के साथ थोड़ा बुरा हो रहा है मेरे हिसाब से. It's very sad
को
for
अपन
him.
नौकरी दे रहे, कोई नौकरी वगैरह है तो श्रीनाथ युंडाई
Hyundai नहीं, उसको रेस्टोरेंट में काम करना है.
हाँ तो दोनों काम करना पड़ेगा ना, गाड़ी के ऊपर इतना
फंड
खर्चा
कैसा
होगा।
जमा करेगा रेस्टोरेंट?
Mia Kebabs में
Laziz,
भेजेंगे।
Laziz is my
Yeah,
wife.
yeah, oh.
I love
और
Laziz.
टस्किन
Tuscan
Tuscan coffee.
Wow, just random promotions, dude. Tuscan
ये सब
coffee.
फोकट में कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
नहीं, चलेगा भाई, अच्छा कॉफी है. Tuscan अच्छा कॉफी बना रहे
GG
हो तुम लोग.
Tuscan.
Thank you.
हाँ, but I also feel like Sinoda got a little lucky in sprint.
अरे वो वैसे
रेस आल्सो डिड रियली वेल।
Race he did well. मैं sprint की बात कर रहा हूँ.
But वही है ना रे, the entire sport is that only. Someone fucks up somewhere, something happens,
Yeah,
and you
yeah.
have to just pick it up.
That's
dude.
that's George Russell's whole career. Where someone fucks up and he comes third.
बट जॉर्ज रसल भी कल काफी अच्छा
Yeah.
चलाया।
मेरे को लगा वो पियास्ट्री को ले लेगा ओवरटेक में, but I don't think
नहीं, he
end में
couldn't.
नहीं.
मैं थोड़ा
हैमिल्टन नहीं ले पाया, हैमिल्टन इतना पास जाके
नहीं रसल काफी पास था तो
Yeah.
आई गॉट अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड कि फक पियास्ट्री का
और भी गिर जाएगा भाई।
गिर
Yeah.
ना जाए भाई बट नहीं वो मैनेज हो गया था या तो पियास्ट्री अच्छा गया या तो जॉर्ज के लौड़े लग गए थे पता नहीं
But Hamilton का भी I liked for once that Ferrari thought as a team. मतलब individually they preferred Leclerc with the tire
Yeah.
strategy and all.
Yeah.
But फिर भी थोड़ा अच्छा लगा कि हाँ वो सैंडविच में थोड़ा हैमिल्टन भी आ रहा था. अगर उसको DRS मिल जाता तो मजा आ जाता. But ठीक है यार, considering how Ferrari has been, this has been an improvement only.
way better than
They could take one risky strategy, no?
Yeah.
बाकी का तो they'll let Hamilton do his own thing.
But they've always been like this. They've always tried to play safe, and that has gone against them.
It,
yeah
यार,
but like their strategy was the best start with softs and then go to mediums
Dude, वो
that
soft
fucking
पे
worked.
जो Leclerc ने
Yeah.
लिया है,
but he
pehले turn
pushed
पे.
it till how much ever he
Yeah.
could,
Yeah,
which
yeah,
was very
yeah.
brave.
And while
It was very brave.
वहाँ पे भी वो पूरा मतलब he didn't let Hamilton pass
Yeah,
huh? he just
nothing.
kept fighting him and then
एक
walked.
lap,
On
lap.
track, he's another person.
Yeah.
एक लैप पूरा हैमिल्टन को रखड़ा है, फिर वो चला गया ना pit।
Dude,
फिर तो
वही
वो सीधा
पूरा-
पिट के अंदर चले गए
हाँ
ना.
पूरा अनॉय करके
Yeah.
हैमिल्टन को
And
चला गया
Hamilton
box.
tried so hard, dude, in that fucking turn 14, I think, where he was just on the left, but Leclerc was like, "हट चितिया,"
Yeah.
और फिर चले गया.
And वही था मेरा कि अगर मतलब आई एम श्योर ब्रॉडकास्ट में तो बाद में ही पता चला, but he must have gotten the indication that
कि
he has
box
to
कर
box
रहे हैं,
पहले.
yeah, yeah.
So he just wanted to fuck with him.
Yeah, dude, I'm pretty sure he was just like ऐसे थोड़ी वही तेरे को आने दूंगा
और लेक्लर जाके बोला रे क्या मजा है क्या रे हैमिल्टन दिखा क्या कौन है 7 टाइम WD3 बोला रे
Dude, we were talking about the same thing on a group.
Oh, are you gonna mention that? Yeah,
कि-
go for it.
I don't know how to feel about Hamilton right now because this race he's broken 2 records.
Oh yeah.
And both are the like end of the spectrum records. First is he's the only driver in the history of F1 75 years who has cumulative more than 5,000 points. Woohoo! Only person.
Respect.
He deserves this. But the second record he broke.
Oh well.
Now he's
Let's
the
go.
driver for the longest since joining Ferrari who doesn't have a podium, like a Grand Prix
Like
podium.
any Ferrari driver
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
out of any
19
Ferrari.
He's gone,
sad लग रहा है
he's
वो
gone 19 races without a podium.
Which is
Only like Grand Prix podium.
I
उसको
mean
sprint
close
में
enough
मिल गया.
this time so I guess
Yeah, but थोड़ा sad लगा.
Yeah.
So there's a GOAT record this side
And
then
there's
there's a really sad record. This
almost
is-
like Logan Sargent type of.
और बेचारे का कुत्ता भी मर गया यार.
अरे यार.
Arre, there was another video of Charles's girlfriend. What's her name? Whatever. Was taking.
Yeah,
Actually,
Shetty.
wait. I think the TV director, F1 TV directors
They
know the
heard
name.
us. They heard
know
us.
the name. दिखा देंगे वो लोग.
चार्ल्स के गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम है ना
हाँ.
प्रियदर्शिनी.
हाँ, प्रियदर्शनी उसके कुत्ते गोपाल को लेके जा रही थी और फिर Hamilton and them they cross paths and then Hamilton like yeah dude it was like so cute.
There's
Like
this-
man I feel you bro, I fucking feel you.
There's this reel, it's so funny. Yeah, 2021 last Abu Dhabi वाले में after the restart जो हुआ basically the controversial part where Max overtook
Yeah.
Hamilton, वो वाला overtake चलने वाला है और पूरा चल रहा है commentate का और वो overtake चलने ही वाला है and then they cut to Charles का girlfriend, like how they basically making fun of the
अच्छा, broadcast.
But
broadcast.
I think the directors heard everybody
नहीं,
and
साइंस
yes,
साइंस से बोला ना कि ये सब
Science
क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग हमारे आइटम हमारे घर के औरत लोग का क्या वीडियो ले रहे हैं क्या आप लेंगे.
Dude, but I'm so glad कि उन लोग ने actually सुन लिया for once.
yeah, yesterday's broadcast had no
Oh, it was
pit-
good. It was very good. They
wasn't-
keep in the small box also. They kept showing the different.
And the only
overtakes.
person I remember from someone's family they showed is when Bearman का भी हो रहा था, they showed his father. That's it. Which is nice.
गर्लफ्रेंड
उतना-
बंद कर दिया वो लोग
हाँ,
ने. Man,
girlfriends
this was
बंद कर
so
दिया.
funny. Max is overtaking last वो सबसे final वाला ये कि oh fuck controversial. चार्ल्स की गर्लफ्रेंड देख लो थोड़ा 5-10 सेकंड भाई पूरा.
oh man
पर ऐसा पूरा एकदम ये कर रहे हो लोग. बोले कि अरे ये क्या है रेस दिखाओ ना हमको.
privacy क्या होता है लौड़ा.
बट वही है कि इसका भी ओवरऑल द रेस वाज वही मेरे को हैमिल्टन डिड नॉट हैव रेस पेस अगेन एंड और वो तो इसका तो था ही अपना.
Honestly, they were doing better in general. Ferrari at this race were doing 3-4 is good, dude.
No, but it was definitely better than what they've been doing.
Yeah.
And I think Hamilton will be a little happy to come upper points में थोड़ा सा at least.
And the thing is, their pit stops have been good this season
Oh,
for
yeah,
some
good.
reason. तो वो तो
किसका तो भी 2.3 था I think
Piastri.
yeah dude
Piastri, I think so.
Max
Somebody
was 2.6 I
हाँ,
think,
Max
which
was
was also
2.6,
like
Piastri
I
good.
was
was
very
2.3.
impressed.
Yeah.
I think it was Leclerc.
नहीं.
I'm not too
McLaren
sure.
का
Please tell me in the comments.
McLaren का अच्छा ही तो जा रहा था. मैंने उधर इधर देखा कि McLaren ये साल बहुत गंदा पिटिंग कर रहा है. I think आधा
Bro,
गंदा ही कर
last
रहा
few
है.
races they had really bad.
जैसे
pit
नॉरिस
stops,
का
dude.
जैसे नॉरिस का
अरे
जो
3.4 या कुछ था ना या
और फिर नॉरिस को साथ और फिर पीएसटी के
नहीं वो वाला नहीं बोल रहा मैं वैसे
नहीं
नहीं.
मेरा वही है कि
वो
पीएसटी
तो
को डर
controversial था.
हाँ.
पीएसटी को डर लगता है कि अगर किसी और का पिट स्टॉप खराब जाए तो मेरा रेस नहीं बिगड़ना चाहिए.
Yeah. नहीं but क्योंकि the fastest pit stop this season is also McLaren's. So
Yeah.
I'm confused.
1.9
Yeah.
bitch. I think so.
Yeah, it is 1.9.
Yeah.
It's 1.9.
But
मेरे को
वही
ये सब चीज याद रहता है लेकिन काम का चीज याद नहीं रहता.
अबे मेरे को भी यही सब मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल रहा हूँ हाँ it is 1.9 ये सब कैसे तो याद रह जाता है मेरे को.
these random things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude.
बोलो मेरे को लगता है मैक्लेरन वाले एक पॉइंट के बाद ड्राइवर के ऊपर सीधा टायर ही फेंक देगा. तू चेंज कर जा.
भाई
Science, man. I felt so bad
science
for
I
science.
missed that क्योंकि I think
So basically,
I went to the
साइंस
washroom.
क्या गलती है.
हाँ
नहीं,
इसलिए
गलती science क्या है?
I'm not denying that, but then it just felt.
Dude, I
very
went to the
sad.
washroom. I came back. I was like, shit, ये रेस का एक
DNF.
चीज हो गया बस एक चीज जो
चीज.
हुआ है रेस में.
A
क्या
very
हुआ?
basically he was trying to overtake Kimi. Now that one turn is like you have to brake way earlier to get that turn right. This after the long straight you take the left and then you take this 13 wala और फिर ये 14 and 15 turn is very difficult. Yeah.
But I think I know which one
और
you're
ऊपर
talking
से
about.
वो जो टर्न है 14 और 15 वाला उससे बाद तुम्हारा डीआरएस एडवांटेज भी होगा तो तुम ओवरटेक किया तो सामने तुमको ओवरटेक कर सकता है.
Yeah.
After the DRS, yes. So what happened was, after the 13th turn, Kimi was आगे. Then for the 15th turn, आपको 14 से ही ब्रेक मारना चालू करना चाहिए. Not even full pressure, just let go of the gas and very slight over there. तो Kimi के left side से it's almost completely you can't because एक तो तुम उधर जा ही रहे हो, you have to take care of that turn over there. But Science ने बहुत लेट ब्रेकिंग किया एक तो उसके वजह से उसको ही लॉक्ड अप एंड देन ही रैम्ड इनटू
Kimi's
and
left rear.
yes
Yeah.
Shit, then Kimi survived this all of.
हाँ.
yeah
He spun and but वो निकल
I
गया.
saw
Yeah.
the replay,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I just but
उन
अच्छे
लोगों
से
का गाड़ी
देखा नहीं.
ये है ना
मर्सिडीज का गाड़ी महंगा आता है ना तो उसका गाड़ी ये स्ट्रॉन्ग
विलियम्स सस्ता रहता है
विलियम्स का ताड़पत्री की गाड़ी
हाँ ताड़पत्री का रहता है
ब्लू कलर
Mercedes is carbon fiber. Williams is third
ताड़पत्री
party.
ब्लू कलर की गाड़ी है ताड़पत्री है वो
इसके
बराबर।
स्प्रिंट पे हुआ था ना वो लांस स्ट्रोल का ओवरटेक वो गंदा यही
Oh
स्प्रिंट
my
था ना
God, what is wrong with Lance
Dude,
Stroll,
that
bro?
was the funniest क्योंकि
What
that's
the
how
fuck are you saying?
I swear that's how if I'm go-karting I'd
I would do that.
वही I'd be like या तो ओवरटेक है
शेट्टी मेरे सामने मैं घुस जाऊंगा
वही
उसके
घुस
अंदर.
जाऊंगा that's what I would think
Sorry,
but
Shetty.
I am not a professional Lance Stroll is a professional
He rammed it so hard.
कितना पीछे था भाई वो
No,
कहाँ
this
से आ रहा
was
था?
also the sprint one.
sprint one is what I mean
Where he rammed it so hard. उसका अगले का front left उड़ गया पूरा. भैंचो, it's not a tire
I mean
anymore.
the sprint one only
What is wrong with you? Why are you taking the car so ahead?
वो बहुत पीछे था ना कहीं बहुत पीछे से
And
आके वो लेके
वो ठोक दिया उसने turn 1 पे ही हुआ
I
ये.
think
And
so,
then
yeah.
he fucking took the car even more ahead, knowing that his tire is not that. Chutia, what is wrong with you? There's an entire runoff.
तीन टायर पे and even the commentator said this, dude. There was no need.
There
to
was
drive
no
on that.
need.
You were in
Just
the grass.
park
only, Just
it.
park it there.
Just park it over there,
I'm telling
man.
you, we had a chance उसको लांस स्ट्रोल को फुल गाली देने का फेस टू फेस क्योंकि वो हैदराबाद आया था एक दिन के लिए
Yeah.
नया कॉग्निसेंट ना क्या वो कंपनी का
Oh.
नाम उसके वो लोग के कोई तो इवेंट के लिए आफ्टर
Yeah,
सिंगापुर हैड कम हियर
एक
फॉर
बार गए साल ये भी आया था.
अलोंसो भी आया था चेन्नई आया था वो इस बार लांस स्ट्रोल आया था वी
So
कुड
at
गॉन
this
देयर
point-
लाइक लौड़े क्या है भाई निकलना है
He has a record of like fucking people up on the track. Dude, once I think जहाँ पर Alonso almost Spider-Man बोलो Superman के जैसा उड़ गया था. That was also
Oh, yeah.
quota only because of Lance Stroll that happened.
अल्पिन के टाइम ना
When Alonso
Alonso was in
over there.
Alpine,
Yeah.
yeah.
कुछ तो होता है लांस स्ट्रोल को ना इधर आने के बाद कोटा में
What is? Please tell me one thing. Do you all actually think there are Lance Stroll's fans out there?
है ना?
And how much should we pay for their therapy?
है उसका
है।
उसका घर वाला है ना
Oh my
हाँ भाई
God, dude.
नहीं मगर आई एम श्योर थोड़े
Please,
जन तो है
one-
क्योंकि आई वेंट टू लांस स्ट्रोल्स इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट आई वाज लाइक फॉलोअर्स तो है तो हम कोई तो है ही ना जो
यार
फॉलो
अगर
कर रहा
मेरे
है
बैंक अकाउंट में बिलियन रहते मैं एटलीस्ट 1 मिलियन लोगों को पैसे देके बोलता डाल कमेंट डाल
क्योंकि
पूछ
देख
लेके।
लांस स्ट्रोल के फैंस नहीं होते उसके मेरे जितने फॉलोअर्स होने चाहिए फिर
हाँ।
अगर वो F1 ड्राइवर है उसके फॉलोअर्स नहीं है तो
Then
मेरे
there is
जितने
no
होने चाहिए
difference. I'm gonna like fuck. There's no difference between him and I don't. Do you all know Do you all remember Mazepin?
Of course we remember
माझे उरालकाली
Of course we remember Mazepin
What question is this, dude?
Yeah,
Oh
dude, what
man,
do we
dude, that
remember?
man was also very
Dude,
problematic.
by the way sorry again
मैज़ेपिन से मच बेटर है लांस स्ट्रोल
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
नहीं.
I am not denying that.
See,
Out and out
Lance Stroll-
पागल था
Lance
भाई.
Stroll has his moments. बीच बीच में कभी कभी कुछ दिखाता है कि अच्छा ठीक है कभी कभी F1 ड्राइवर है
क्या करे हम लोग बता अभी तक देख जो भी पॉइंट्स आया मोस्टली थ्रू अलोंसो ही आए.
The
Lance Stroll is just there.
1.6 million followers है Lance Stroll के
Wow,
just
dude.
saying तो लोग तो
I think that's the lowest among.
लांस से भी कुछ पॉइंट स्कोर किए हैं भाई इस
किया
बार
किया
अच्छा
किया
Mostly it's
मैं
a
बोल रहा हूँ he's just a very
इज नॉट डिपेंडेंट
हाँ वो he's not dependable not consistent
He's a rich dad's like famous son. It's that.
Yeah.
is
no
the point.
consequence
Yeah.
वाला ये है ना उसका लतीफी पढ़ाई खत्म किया
He
देखा
got
क्या आपने?
MBA.
He got graduated.
वेलिंगर वेलिंगर फाइनली वेलिंगर अभी लतीफी भी लोअर परेल में काम करने के लिए जाएगा लतीफी तो गोटिपी
Congrats Latifi dude
उसने कुछ
सोचना
MBA किया ना
हाँ
उसने?
MBA किया सोचना he like did the most insane thing 2021 में crashed and then उससे course of history changed max 4 ये सब जीत चुका उसके बाद ये MBA खत्म किया भाई ये कुछ अलग ही
dude,
tangent
what
है
is
ना?
happening?
It's like that butterfly effect of like everything happening
Yeah
on just like a random note like this. So there's this YouTuber called Andy Cooks or Chef Andy. मतलब देखा रहेगा तूने उसका रील वेयर he's like babe what you'll have for dinner.
oh yeah
वो टकला
बहुत वो बहुत इंडियन चीजें भी बनाते हैं हाँ।
बिरयानी.
बिरयानी
This guy, yeah, okay, now hold that thought. उसका एक YouTube channel भी है, and he's from Australia. So he made this one video recently, I think a week back, which is trying out croissants made by a F1 engineer. So I was like, okay, this seems interesting. And then basically, there is this one person whose name I forgot. She used to work in Williams as an aerodynamist. And she left F1 and she made her own bakery, dude. And she made like the perfect croissant. So random, dude. I'm not
man
even
she's
joking.
living Yuki Tsunoda's life dream
या
dude.
मिसल
Dude, it was too hilarious. But it is legit. Like, she actually was with Williams for like a long time. Then she left F1.
But I think that's very badass if you think about
That's
It is.
Dude,
Very
that's,
badass.
that's
Story.
exactly
Yeah.
what I'd expect from an engineer.
Yeah,
He'd leave it and start a bakery or something else
Yeah, dude.
entirely.
man.
And it's very funny because again he does like an entire day shift in that, I think it's called Loon in Australia.
Okay.
And the funny thing is they start prepping, right? So their batter for the croissant is like 47 kgs, dude. And the yeast that they have to put was 8 grams of. So they made him actually calculate that 8 grams and add it. मतलब 47 kgs में 8 grams का भी difference उसको नहीं चला. And I'm like, wow, this actually works.
थोड़ा
like,
दिमाग
हाँ.
चाहिए इसमें.
Yeah.
Calculations.
This is like someone who's come from F1.
Yeah,
only can
from
do all
F1.
this stuff.
For them, math is everything and everything is math.
Exactly.
That margin is important.
Yeah.
for them.
Do the math.
Do the math. क्या
Very
बात है?
random segue. but
Finger
let's
licking
continue.
math.
Finger licking math subject.
Yes. Finger licking
Finger
math.
licking math. Mahesh tutorial. So
Yes.
algebra geometry.
Nah, they didn't show the back markers a lot. Like HR
Back
was
markers-
No,
still...
they showed when Max was gonna overtake them. Blue flag आने लग गया था तब they showed Bortoleto,
Also,
Colapinto और ये
The
Gasly.
amount of black and white flags that Norris got,
Yeah.
dude.
Norris also got. Antonelli also got by the way.
Antonelli,
Antonelli also got
Norris का सबसे ज्यादा
Norris
था.
का
Bortoleto also got. I think.
Bortoleto
Yeah.
also got.
And according to how much ever I saw, उसको उससे भी ज्यादा मिला है जो जिसका कुछ हुआ नहीं है.
मैं भी देख रहा था कि
This was a lot of fucking like crossing the white line.
बहुत edge में चल रहा था
But the
Norris.
thing is, I'll tell you what. Not like I'm supporting this, but I have a feeling when you see it as a viewer, no?
Yeah, it'll be different.
When it's like a third person, you're seeing the car on the white line, you really can't distinguish it. But when they switch to the driver POV from the top thing, that's exactly when you can see if they've crossed or not.
That's
so maybe
true.
it's
That's
one of
true.
those.
वो angle का भी difference
हाँ,
रहता ही
वो
है.
angle का भी difference.
Because even in between the race, Charles, while taking a turn, saw कि Norris went off the
Yeah.
track and then gained back.
He reported it to.
Yeah.
George जैसे.
Yeah. But the
Exceeding.
funniest thing is about this track limit thing is when finally Norris overtook Leclerc. I think for the first time, उसको तब भी ही मिल गया था मतलब. I think he got like 3 warnings. So उसने ना when he overtook it, उसने ले लिया था, but he और ज्यादा टर्न कर दिया dude because he was so afraid to like go over the
Yeah,
white
yeah,
line.
yeah.
तो commentator भी बोल रहा है this is a handbrake turn. And I'm like, यार of course dude he's worried about his position.
मतलब उसका ड्राइविंग पे भी अभी टीका टिप्पणी करने लग
हाँ,
गए लेकिन अच्छा आदमी नहीं है ये.
Yeah. At this
Zach
point, even
पूरा लगा रहेगा.
he was also trying to save as much as tires as he could. ताकि एक दो लैप में थोड़ा और डिस्टेंस बन
That's the
जाए.
only
then
advantage
तो-
that car has. You can see
Yeah.
हाँ, degradation वाला ना.
Tire tech is great and मेरे को लगता है कि जैक ब्राउन का पूरा फैमिली डिसअपॉइंट है. वो अमेरिकन है ना, बोले आए रहेंगे अरे तुम सब पर का नॉरिस क्या करने वाला, नॉरिस तो कुछ नहीं किया.
I love it how during sprint when both the drivers got out, एक तो Zach Brown and the other, who's that guy, the team principal.
Andreas
Andreas Stella.
दोनों उधर टेबल पे बैठ के पूरा रिवीजन कर रहे हैं माँ की चुत क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या
It
हुआ.
always surprises me how nobody remembers only the team.
Yeah,
Yeah,
dude.
McLaren.
But you know, like race के बीच में भी I love how that makes me think that Zach Brown कुछ करता तो ज्यादा है नहीं रेस के टाइम क्योंकि
Yeah.
वो commentators के साथ बात करता है. So here we have Zach Brown. What do you think? So I think Norris का like भाई तेरा टीम second और fifth है भाई क्या कर रहे हो तू यहाँ पे बात क्या कर रहा है?
वही ना मैं
ये-
वो भी करता है आयो कॉमेट्सू.
ना.
आयो कॉमेट्सू को समझ में आता है कि उसका टीम ही कॉमेट्सू है.
अरे वो हाथ तो आ ही जाएगा क्या ही होगा.
Yeah.
वो वहाँ बैठेगा क्या होगा 17th से 16th हो जाएंगे वो लोग क्या होगा ठीक है.
Even the pre-race when they were doing the walk through the grid, I remember the host he went to Zach Brown, and I feel like everyone on the grid knows not to talk about McLaren like favoring anyone. So he asked Zach Brown, "Ki, okay, I'm going to ask you one question." But without telling me too much between Norris and Piastri, how do you sort of take this to the revision table and work around this? Matlab, it's so known of the preference and the treatment that even the host and commentators are like, I don't want to talk about this because pata hai kya aane wala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're like, what do you do apart from that? Don't tell me the details of it, but ऊपर से बता दे तुम how do you deal with this situation when both cars are around?
McLaren PR is working full 24/7
But
at this point.
honestly, who can they favor now, dude? Both of them are like Norris is in a better. I feel bad saying this. Norris is in better form than Piastri right now.
For now.
Yeah, but like it's the
My-
end of the
but-
season right now. Piastri
But
has to
again,
be
they
in
don't
better
trust
form.
the car well because तभी भी स्टार्टिंग में जब
Who
20
doesn't
लैप
trust the car well?
नॉरिस का बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
Oh.
नॉरिस के से भी स्टार्टिंग में जब ही हैड द चांस टू ओवरटेक लेक्लेयर, वो लेट ब्रेक नहीं कर रहा था, तो he did not trust the car totally into the race.
They also didn't sprint में तो दोनों निकल गए ना. They didn't, and practice भी कम था. They didn't have enough
That
data.
was the worst part, I think. Like
Yeah.
sprint में at least एक गाड़ी भी रहता ना, then
हाँ,
for the
they-
race they
would
could have
have helped them.
They
understood.
would have some data actually
Yeah.
from the track. And
So I will also blame that a little bit. कि
Yeah.
Yeah.
They didn't have enough
Yeah,
data.
other teams had enough data, like
Yeah.
for spring और shootouts का time पे.
At least 10 lap का तो डेटा रहना चाहिए यार.
हाँ भाई. और practice
कुछ
भी नहीं रहता ना, because when there's sprint obviously दो practice कम हो जाते हैं ना.
एक practice, एक
रहता है.
sprint quali,
हाँ,
then
exactly.
sprint,
एक ही
then
practice
quali,
रहता
and then
race.
Instead of 3 practice, 8
बहुत
practice
hectic
रहता है.
weekend रहता है रे लोग का.
I have a theory. I feel if Max continues the form that he is in, I really want to see whether McLaren is going to support that whoever is in front, be it Piastri or Norris,
हाँ, वही करना पड़ेगा.
or they are still going to support Norris.
Norris. I
Dude,
want to see. That's what I'm saying. Pachi
that's-
race बचे. Now we will know who
Yeah, yeah.
they really prefer.
and
वो-
now Charles is also not a part of WDC
Yeah.
anymore.
Dude, this is
Bechara.
very right.
So it's only Max, Piastri, and Norris.
So basically, like talking about championships and all and contenders, F1 put out a post where the only 5 people in contention for the constructors are 2 McLaren, so Piastri, Norris, Max. Russell, and Leclerc. But Leclerc 5th है उसमें, and everyone knows how Ferrari is. So when F1 put out this post, Leclerc commented there, "Let's go,
Let's
baby!"
go, baby.
So funny, dude. Which is
And
so
taunt
funny.
कर रहे हैं.
It has 189,000
Of
likes
course,
on that,
dude.
dude.
This is so funny.
बेचारा.
अरे
अरे
he
यार.
knows. I mean, it's just funny. Mathematically, वो लोग बोल रहे हैं
Yeah,
कि theoretically, I think वो mathematically maybe बहुत सारे लोग DNF होने चाहिए ऊपर वाले.
The mathematics is everyone before him. DNF.
हाँ,
That's the
exactly.
And
mathematics.
here we are after Kota, bro. बेचारा.
नहीं, but I'm sure he knew. वो तो उसको पहले से ही
Yeah,
पता था कि ये साल again is not
It's very cute.
his year.
It's, next year is their year. Like every year.
But it just, I realized this now in this race when he was again defending against Norris and all. Just feels good to see Leclerc. Like you forget how fucking good he is, dude.
Yeah,
बेचारे को कोई chance ही नहीं मिलता है यार. वो कहीं पीछे अटका हुआ रहता है.
That's why a lot of people post Kota were saying that only. They would love to see Leclerc in a great car.
Yeah, dude.
Because he has the skill for
He
it.
has the skill. It feels nice. Like him and Max and Piastri एक साथ अगर एक करे, Norris हट जा थोड़ा सा. Leclerc,
वो तो नहीं
Piastri
होने
and
वाला.
Max का championship अगर contention रहे.
तो जॉर्ज का तो मैं बात ही नहीं किया.
Actually fuck George भी मेरे को
George
चलेगा
भी
George.
है.
नहीं
but
मुझे
I think
honestly
he's the
चलेगा
ghost
George.
contention over here.
हाँ exactly.
Yeah.
और ये सब रेस में जॉर्ज अगर थर्ड आ जाए तो भी चलेगा.
Yeah.
I feel one of the best things about Kota is their trophy, dude, this year.
Oh my God.
What a
What a
Yeah, Louis Vuitton.
beautiful trophy.
लुइस विटन.
Louis.
अच्छा लुई विटॉन.
लुइस वाटाने.
I really didn't understand that. I was like, क्या बोल रही है?
लुइस हैमिल्टन का कुछ बोल रहे
मेरे को लग रहा
हैं.
है कोई डिजाइनर है जिसने ट्रॉफी
मुझे
डिजाइन
लुइस
किया है.
हैमिल्टन का कुछ लगा.
Louis Vuitton.
लुई विटॉन एक्चुअली डुप्लीकेट है. ओरिजिनल लुइस वाटाने है. Vancouver में
okay,
थे.
इंद्रप्रस्थ में भी है.
लुइस वाटाने इज अ वेरी गुड.
मैं बचपन में लेता था लुइस वाटाने का चड्डी.
But the way they made the bull. What is it called over there? It's called something.
रेड बुल.
हाँ, mice. They call it the mice.
The base. But that
Yeah.
was so good.
And
It's a
that
very good
trophy, like, I just feel like 2 trophies which are so apt for the places they are from is always Kota and is always Hungary, dude.
Oh dude, the Hungarian
Hungary-
trophy
Zandvoort,
is
no?
so
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Oh,
the waves one.
No,
where
no,
they-
no. Not Zandvoort.
Hungaroring. Oh.
Huh. Dude, but Kota's trophy by far the most beautiful trophy we've seen this
It's
year.
the
And
best
also
one, I
Japan,
feel.
dude. Japan always does something crazy. ऐसा
That's
kiss wiss
true.
करेगा तो light
The
आता
light
है.
आता है, yeah,
Some
dude.
crazy shit Japan
Dude,
does.
this is the only US मतलब trophy race, all of it, which feels genuine. अब आएगा भैंचो वो
It-
Miami गंदा है, Las Vegas गंदा लगता है
It
मेरे को.
feels
It's just
like I saw the photo, I shared it on the group also, and I was like, bro, this is so beautiful. And if you zoom into it, all the corners have turns written on the trophy.
oh
Like
इतना
so
नहीं
much
देखा था.
attention to detail. It looked beautiful.
Dude, but I'll tell you one thing I really like about, मतलब I know Kota is one of the best races in America as of now, तो, but मेरे को Las Vegas का call me like little cringe, but मेरे को बहुत शोशा मजा आता है dude लास वेगास का. बहुत full time pass है वो, full shining mind
Dude,
एकदम मजेदार है dude.
I think उसी का वो एक reel है which is my favorite reel where that presenter या जो भी वो WWE वाला या जो भी था वो Get up Sergio Perez
And
और
then Sergio Perez is just there.
and then this guy is also done. Presenter is just looking at Sergio Perez. Sergio Perez is also like can't
No
do it.
interaction, nothing.
Yeah.
Khatam, boss.
Dude, you can see Sergio Perez being like,
Okay.
where do I go?
And then he left.
Yeah.
He left
Of
from there.
course.
Dude, even one more about Perez. Same when again Red Bull does special delivery, which is that full Elvis wala like
yeah.
their
Ha,
suits
ha.
and all. I remember when Max, I think Perez and Charles only won in Miami last year. Or Max Perez तो थे.
Max तो थे,
I don't
Perez
remember
भी
who
था.
was the third guy. And उन लोगों को क्या uncomfortably वो limo
limo है ना?
And you know what's the worst part? सबसे पहले I think Perez बैठा और फिर Perez का engineer बैठा who was supposed to go on the podium as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
They were like, hey, uncle थोड़ा बाहर आओ, बाहर आओ, बाहर आओ, और थोड़ा बाहर आओ. उसको सामने बिठा दिया और फिर Max squeezed in and Charles squeezed in and all of them are like this.
Yeah, dude, it's
कुछ
so
भी करते हैं भाई
awkward.
ये US वाले इसमें मायामी और वेगस में कुछ भी करते हैं
It's so
the only
awkward.
difference is वेगस का track is not half bad that's a
Yeah,
अच्छा track है.
yeah अच्छा track
very
है
Street wise it's
yeah
great.
it's a good
And
track
उसमें वो स्पीयर में हम हमेशा उन लोग कुछ डाल देते हैं एकदम गूगली आइज
Like,
फॉलोइंग
गाड़ी जा रहे तो ऐसा दिखते वो लोग. That's very cool.
वही all of that's good Miami तो is just a shit fucking
Yeah,
track I don't like that place at all
डुप्लीकेट पानी वगैरह फर्नीचर
नहीं वो हटा दिया वो लोग ने फर्स्ट ईयर डुप्लीकेट पानी डाला था आई
Yeah.
थिंक वो हटा दिया वो लोग
which
ने
was
उसके बाद।
extremely funny dude.
कुछ भी कर रहे हैं मायामी में
क्या लगता है तुम लोगों को क्या होने वाला है?
Next क्या
Next
है?
is Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico के पहले
Brazil नहीं हो रहा?
predictions everywhere for this one.
Oh,
There are
yeah.
only 2 people who got it right.
for
yes,
कोटा
for
for
quota.
कोटा
For
yes
quota.
Bro, I'm very surprised. Instagram पे किसी को भी
Yeah,
सही
dude,
नहीं आया.
Instagram पे किसी को भी नहीं आया because everyone was like Max, Lando
Piastri.
and Russell और Max, Piastri, Russell ऐसा कुछ था. Like
Yeah.
everyone missed by only one driver. But Max was first everywhere.
yeah of course अरे that तो was obvious
That's a given.
Which is also surprising because quota में usually the pole
Exactly.
sitter is never
Never the
first
winner,
person,
yeah.
dude.
एक्सेप्ट फॉर मैक्स
Except for Max
Except
in
for Max.
2021.
See, all of those stats, I think we've all learned to not take
Yeah,
it
yeah.
seriously if
That's
Max
damn
is
true.
doing it. Max वो
Yeah.
I think Max is on a revenge right now. कैसा तुमने कैसा बोला कि मैं नहीं जीत अब भी देख.
The difference is not 2023 और इसमें I mean इसमें he really seems to be enjoying this way
Yeah,
more.
because there's competition.
There's
now.
competition. He's coming
I
back.
remember I said this in one of the previous episodes also that Max is not someone who loves being in that comfortable zone of winning.
Exactly.
But 2023, of course, that was pure
Just
domination.
too good.
But here you can see he really wants to go for
He's
it.
enjoying it.
Because there's like actual competition, dude.
You know,
That's-
he called this 2023 Abhi 19, na? That was Abhi 19 only, na?
RB 19.
I think so, yeah.
हाँ.
I don't
23 वाला उसका
He called
गाड़ी.
it
We'll put it
23
over
का.
here.
Huh? Yeah, 23 ka he called it Rocky. I was watching some reel. He said ki I don't name my cars. They're all he's. He said ki all of them are male for me, and I've only named the 2023 car. It's Rocky. I think that car deserved it. I was like,
Dude, if you
damn
win like
cute.
90,
Yeah.
90% of the races, the car deserves it.
name.
हैमिल्टन ने गाड़ी का नाम धनेश रखा है धनिया कह रे
कौन सा गाड़ी उसका कौन सा गाड़ी?
सब गाड़ी का नाम धनेश
गाड़ी यार.
Dhanesh 1, Dhanesh 2.
Dhanesh 3.
D2 D3 अंदर
वो फोन के कांटेक्ट में सेव करता था Dhanesh Alt.
धनेश न्यू.
Yeah,
Oh,
Dhanesh
man.
knew. But coming to predictions for Kota, there are only 2 people who got it right. One is TTT9099
Congratulations.
on YouTube. Congratulations.
काइंडली हैव ए
And
Samosa chai from us.
yes, and the second one is Atharva Gavde 2914.
अथर्व
Congratulations.
गावड़े
Let's go.
लेट्स गो अथर्व गावड़े
Dude, one
एक समोसा चाय हमारी तरफ से खा ले. What do you all think is going to happen for the next race now?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Okay.
I'll miss Perez's father.
Oh,
Yeah.
हर्नांडेज
He's the governor.
चाओ
He's one
हर्नांडेज
of the governors or something.
Yeah, some politician.
Some politician
only.
he is, yeah.
Okay, my prediction is I will have to have this prediction.
I
which
swear
is,
to God, if you don't say Piastri,
Piastri, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have to
वो
have
mic
that
pick के मारता
prediction.
बहनचोद.
अबे मैं क्यों करूँ वो
मेरे
मेरा
को नहीं मालूम यार.
That's
भरोसा
what-
नहीं है तेरे पे.
अबे भाई that's why I said I have to have this
Yes.
prediction, especially now, which is Piastri 1. Then I'd say Max 2 and Norris P3 because that will help Piastri stay ahead in the competition.
Fair.
Okay.
Also,
Shetty?
Max 1, Piastri to Norris 3.
Piastri to Norris 3, okay.
क्या Max 1 बे साले? Actually, that car is becoming very nice right now.
Yeah, it is.
Red Bull.
I'll go out on a limb and say Max 1, Russell 2, and Piastri 3.
Max, Russell, Charles.
Max Russell, Charles.
तेरा अलग ही चल रहा है भाई ये.
He's good with street tracks, man.
No.
Oh,
Hey,
sorry,
I'm just
he's-
saying तेरा अलग ही
yeah.
drivers championship चल रहा है यहाँ
Trying to
पर.
be different, huh?
No. But I feel like I have a little bit of faith in Charles.
I don't
And
have in Ferrari, dude. That's the problem.
हाँ, I don't have in
No, I
Ferrari.
have.
It has nothing to do
You
with
have faith in
Charles.
Ferrari?
I have because after this, उन लोग का थोड़ा strategies बदल रहा है. That means they're getting a grip of it. That means
अबे.
at least for the last
Typical
few
Tifosi
races.
fans.
अबे ये, yeah, this
At
is.
least for the last few races.
There's no way. This is typical Ferrari.
This is,
थोड़ा
yeah.
hope दे देते कि हम better हो
वो
गए.
फिर छीन लेते हैं.
Everyone's like तुम better हो गए. Then they're like लौड़ा मेरा better हो गया.
That is damn true.
अभी वापस चूते वही
मेरे
होता
को तो
है हर
कल
बार.
इतना
This is like throwing a drowning man a toothpick वाला logic, dude. वो ऐसे
Exactly,
ही रहता है
dude.
वो.
कुछ नहीं करते ये
I
लोग.
want Charles.
You think I don't
No,
want
we also
Ferrari?
want Charles.
Dude, I always.
हम लोग
Ferrari.
का
I will-
intention था कि ड्राइवर चैंपियनशिप
हाँ, ड्राइवर चैंपियनशिप के हिसाब से. And also
Yeah.
I feel like अब Norris और Piastri will like मतलब कुछ तो करेंगे ना. ऐसा थोड़ी जॉर्ज और चार्ल्स को
अबे
सेकंड और
यार.
थर्ड रहने देंगे.
हाँ,
भाई.
dude. But
I think, and George will just appear out of nowhere.
हाँ, I think that
Or
is
just-
possible.
No.
अच्छा, okay.
Max, George, and Charles.
Max, George, and Charles.
Yeah.
ठीक है, देखते हैं भाई.
Let's see.
Guys, at the end of the episode, wishing you guys a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, Happy Diwali.
ठीक है, आगे बोल.
And also, guys, like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.
Hype.
हाइप बटन पे हाइप बटन पे हाइप करो. हम लोग को ऊपर आएगा थोड़ा पॉडकास्ट, थोड़ा हम लोग को व्यूज मिलेगा. एंड ऑल्सो लास्ट 5 रेस बचे, इंटरेस्टिंग हो रहा है. लास्ट रेस अपन स्क्रीन करने वाले.
Let's go!
टिकट्स लाइव होने वाले हैं. वो फटाफट
इधर
ले लो
ही.
बुक माई शो पे. इधर इच
Yes.
जी.
Until then, we'll see you all for Mexico Grand Prix.
Tell us your predictions. लिखो वहाँ पर और.
Give us your predictions.
हर्नांडेस अंकल सा विजय असो.
Hype the video, like, share, subscribe.
वो हर्नांडेस.
Piastri को P1 डालो, please. Piastri, please.
Please give
everyone.
Piastri a good car. But
Please.
till then,
Yeah.
Govind Menon, Siddharth Shetty, Vivian Castellino, Yash Bhar say Happy Diwali. We'll
Happy
see you all for
Diwali.
next
Happy
Stay
one.
safe. Bye-bye.
Yes, please stay safe.
Bye.
अपने मुंह में रस्सी बम मत डाल देना please.
अबे क्या?
I've seen videos. I've seen videos.
Okay,
Oh,
bye,
brother.
bye.
Be nice to dogs and
Yes,
cats.
yes, please.